Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix all of your lag issues inside Bluestacks. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, open up Bluestacks on your PC. Once that has been opened, go down to your search bar and type in Task Manager. And then click on the Task Manager. And then under apps, Task Manager should appear, so give it a few moments to pop up. Then once it does, click onto it and then right click it, and then you want to click onto Go to Details. And then you want to right click HD Player. It should be already highlighted once you get into Details. And then you want to set priority, and on your case it would be set to normal. So what you want to do is change it to above normal or higher. Do not click real time, that is just way too high. So click either high or normal, above normal, sorry. So I'm going to keep it as high and then close out of Task Manager. And now the next step is to go back to your search here and then type in graphics settings. So you want to type in graphics settings and click into it. And then you'll see all of your apps here. And then as you can see, Bluestacks, it's set to high performance. That's what you want. If it isn't, click onto it, click options and click onto high performance. You could use power saving, that might fix your issues, but I'll just keep it on high performance. Otherwise, if for whatever reason Bluestacks isn't on this list, you can always manually insert it. So to do that, you want to click onto browse and then go ahead and find Bluestacks and add it to this list, and then click onto options. And then make sure it's set to high performance or even power savings. Alright, once that is done, close out of your graphics and then head over to the Bluestacks. And now inside Bluestacks, we're going to make some changes here. So we're going to get to the settings section. So to find that, click on the gear icon, bottom right hand corner of your screen. And now performance, we want to change the performance. So you want to click on the custom. And then we want to choose 3 or 4, depending how many cores you got. So to find your CPU allocation or how many cores your PC is running, you want to head on over to the search bar down below. And now type in Task Manager again. We want to head on over to Task Manager. So here it is here. So click in the Task Manager. And then you want to click on the Performance tab. Should be located the left hand side here. It could be on the top here, but on my case it's left hand side, Performance. And now here we'll be able to find how many cores your PC is running at. So as you can see, mine is running at 6. So we'll head back. So we want to allocate 3 cores, because if you do any more than half the cores, your PC might not run as smoothly and there won't be enough cores to run your actual PC as well. Once that is done, your memory allocation, so click into that. So yours will probably be set to enhance that 4 gigabytes, but we can change it to 8, but we need to see how many gigabytes your PC is running at. So to do that, click down on the search bar again. And now you want to type in the search bar about your PC. And then click into about your PC. Give it a few moments to load. There it is there. So under device specifications, it says on this PC is 16 gigabytes. So I'm going to close out, and now I'm going to set this to 8 gigabytes. That's at least half of the gigabytes used. And the next step here, performance mode, make sure that is set to high performance, and then keep the frame rate to 60. It should already be automatically set to 60. And then once that is all done, click on Save Changes, and we'll move on to the next step. If you're still experiencing lag after changing performance settings and that, head on over to display here, and you can change your display resolution to a lower setting. So you can change it to 1280 by 720. That might fix it. Or if your resolution is high, just put it down one, and that should fix your issue. You can also change your pixel density, but 1240 DPI should be fine. Then once that is done, go ahead and click Save Changes, and that should fix your lag issues inside your Bluestacks. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.